Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So let's get started. And to do this, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy Wearable application, and once the devices are paired together we can open the Galaxy Wearable. Once you open the app, you should see your Watch 9 and tap on this My Watch Faces button right here. Then scroll down, or not down, scroll through the menu, then tap on plus button, and here look for the category photos, and you will have two watch faces. You will have this one and this one. And you can choose whichever you prefer. You have different styles basically. This one is more like a portrait, and you can like pick a part of a picture to be on your watch face. And then we have the photos, which is the normal photo watch face, and you can then set up clocks and stuff like that. I'm gonna use this one, but you can use the other one as well, and they should work the same basically. So find the style of the watch face, photo watch face you like, then tap on apply, and once you apply it, go back. Oh, already moved me back automatically, so you don't need to go back, but now let's go there. And once you're in this menu, you will see that the watch face is applied. You can tap on edit button to customize it, and here we can start setting up our watch face, and we can tap on background, and you have two options, camera and gallery. Camera will open the camera app, you can take a picture and use it as a watch face, and gallery, you can pick something from your phone, basically from the photos you already have on your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, but you can use the camera if you want to. I'm gonna open the pictures and, for example, select these two. You can have multiple pictures as a watch face, and then you need to crop them. So the whole picture won't fit on the watch face. You can zoom in and zoom out, move left, right, up, down. So pick the part of the picture you want to have on your watch face, and then you can tap on save. And once the pictures are done uploading, you can edit it further. You can change the position of the clock, you can change the font of the clock, you can change the color of the clock. What else we can change? You can add complications. So if you tap here, you can add complications. So for example, step counter, let's say battery, weather, heart rate, and let's say okay, that's date is good. And then we can go back to style, and you can also change the color for the complications as well. So customize it to your liking, and once you find the best combinations, tap on save, and the watch face should be saved and uploaded after a few seconds, as you can see. And if you have multiple pictures, you can just simply tap on them to cycle between watch faces. And basically that's how you use or set a custom watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.